Good day everybody, it's Jay from BSK Garage and welcome to today's video. In today's video in my garage I got my 2011 Jetta TDI, which has been by far the best vehicle I've ever owned. However, there's a slight problem we're going to fix today, and that's with the mirror. I had an issue with the passenger side mirror that it would start waving when I was driving down the highway. So I kind of temporarily fixed it by putting some cardboard in there, and I'm just going to pull out. Get that cardboard out of there. So you see what I mean? There we go. She's like almost ready to come off. And this is what would be happening. So what the deal is that the adhesive behind the glass has let loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in the car, turn my mirror so it's angled completely out, and yank that mirror off. That's probably about the furthest it's gonna go. Yeah, you can see right there, just hanging on by a thread there. So this is interesting. It actually didn't peel off the way that they normally do. Got a flashlight here. Usually the adhesive lets loose, but in this case the adhesive's still there, but the backing or the film of the mirror has come off. Interesting. All right, we'll see if we can reattach it. All right, just gonna spray that with some brake cleaner to try to clean her up. Now this may not work out the way we want it because part of the film of the mirror is coming off, but I'll try to clean it up here and we'll see if we can reattach it, but it might end up in disaster. Look at that mirror finish. That's the backside. So let's see, it's translucent, so I think it'll still work. I'm going to use this JB Weld Super Weld on it now. We're going to attach it to the back, and it says we got 10 seconds. So we'll see what happens. Strength 3500 psi, set time 10 seconds, full cure 24 hours. Do I need to cut it? Or are we good to go? Well, it looks like we're good to go. This is, I don't want to glue that on there, so let's just squirt glue all over the place and see how this is going to work out. All right, well, moment of truth. Gonna put that on. I'm gonna hold it with my fingers now. Hopefully it'll stay. It says like 10 seconds, but maybe I'll hold it for a minute. Full cure in 24 hours. At what temperature though? Car's gotta go back outside. All right. Seems to be holding.
I can honestly say the mirror's still holding up and hasn't fallen off yet, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.